Okay, so we are just live, and for this sixth webinar, okay, we are going to start our discussion along with Rubal. First of all, I welcome all the visitors who are watching and who are consistently watching till fifth webinar, and still they are present in the sixth webinar also. So it's great, and let's start the session without wasting much of time of yours. So Rubal, let's get
Okay, sir.
started.
Last time, yes, sir. Last time we were talking about some optimization of online and offline. Now we want to discuss about the optimization techniques that we have told about how to optimize, but we did not discuss more about how to optimize it. So let's start with this
Okay.
optimization.
So today we are going to detail in more
Yes,
discuss about the optimization technique.
exactly, sir. I have thought out that more most important technique is three. One is title optimization, second is content optimization, and then image optimization.
Yeah.
For title optimization, we can just use four rules that will be enough for a optimized title. That we have to put our keyword in the beginning of the title, use the pipe sign to separate the keyword and other modified text in a title, and keep the title character between 140 to 155 characters length. And we have to keep the title pixel from 330 to 460 pixels.
Okay.
These four steps we follow, then our title will be fully optimized for SEO and the search engines.
One
And it will help hide our content.
One question here, Rubal, can you
Yes,
bit
sir.
explain more about the title pixel? How the students
Yes,
can
sir.
know that what is the length of the title pixel of their, how they are going to find that?
Yes, I am sharing you. Here is an online tool that is Web Shop Optimizer. Give up the This is free to measure the title pixel.
Okay.
Here, if you put anything that is, you see, and press enter, then it will show what is the title pixel. It is showing that this title have pixel of 200 and only
16.
one. Now, look one thing. I am just making capital is starting word of this.
Okay.
Now see what it increases. So we have to keep in mind that every small letter and capital letter have some impact on the title.
Yeah.
So before choosing our title, we have to use this tool to measure what
Okay.
is the
So,
pixel
so,
meter
so,
process.
so it means they have to not only check the number of characters of the title, but they have to check the pixel also, because
Exactly.
pixel is also depends on the case sensitive. Also, I'm able to see here if capital or small letter, the width of the
This,
pixel is increasing, right? So, okay, great. Any other aspect that how the pixel can increase even with the same length of the title, same character of the title?
no, sir. We
Okay.
have to put after making a suitable title, you can put here and measure the length and
Mm.
the meter,
Mm.
pixel meter. That what is the it comes. If you satisfied, then use it. Else change it. Use some modifier, such as if I now put some modifier here, what it comes. You see, just adding Hyderabad, it increases nearly 100 pix.
Mm.
So we can use it. That's it, sir, for title making strategy.
So pi character also has some pixel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So
And
any
now,
any character has some pixel, alphanumeric character or something, you know.
of course, if we put 2, you see that 2 have some value of nearly 11 or 13.
Yes, yes, I can see. Okay, it's a great insight. I think it will be going to be very helpful to the people or the people who are doing the SEO. Great.
Yes, sir. I also think so, sir.
Yeah. Now we can
And
move to the
yes,
next
sir.
point.
Here is some simple strategy to make that content optimization. You know that we are saying that content means an article, and a article should be optimized obviously for ranking. Without optimization, an article cannot be ranked.
Sure.
Main strategy is that put your keyword in the H1 and H2 tag once inside your content, not more than that. Only once use your keyword in the heading tag 1 and heading tag 2 inside your article. Then try to put the keyword in each 100 words of your article.
Okay.
And the article, always try to use the active voice, not passive voice. Passive voice has some negative impact in SEOs.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So the sentence length, we must keep the sentence length within 18 words. And if we cannot, then use maximum 20 words, not more than that, sir. And my suggestion is, sir, use one optimized image for each 400 words of your article. It means
Okay.
if
So it
50 word,
means
50 word, yes,
it
sir,
it means if we have, for example, 1200 words content, so I have to use three optimized images,
exactly, sir.
right? After each
Exactly.
400 words, there should be one optimized image.
Yes, and the image, if you use infograph, that will be very, very helpful.
Yeah.
And sir, image optimization, I have some rules that I follow, and Google also like it.
Okay.
That while optimizing the image, you just first rename the image as root domain, then put and dash, then your keyword, then put and dash, then say your topic,
Okay.
and dash as a word separator. Don't use a space or underscore or any other separator that we use normally. Such
Okay.
as if my website is msn.com and my keyword is daily news, then I have to write that msn.com dash daily dash news dash new year. New York is a modifier, sir, keyword topic that I am presenting daily news based on New Year.
Okay. Yeah.
That is a optimized way of image renaming. And sir, another thing is that you must fill out the all description that one image contains. I will show you next what the are the information. And must rate your image with a 5-star rating by yourself before uploading on the web.
Okay.
There is some image property. When you click on the properties of an image from your desktop or from your Mac, then you will see that image have some value under the details tab, that title, subject, rating, tags, comments, authors, and many many things. But between these, the title is important. Title is the article title. Subject is appropriate subject of that image and the article. Rating, here you have to put 5-star. Tags, you have can tags maximum 7 tag within an image. You can put more, but 7 tag is the standard format.
Okay.
And comments, put comment of your picture, authors, fill it with your name, or if you are working for your client site, then put your client's name on the emails. And under the copyright section, just put your root domain. And after filling out this, just click on OK. This information will be saved without any hesitation.
Great. Great. So image optimization is not only with respect to the size of image, but also setting all these properties. Okay. So,
Exactly.
so people should understand that when we are talking about the image optimization is not only the size, it's other property, whatever the property Rubal has shown you guys, that things also to be set for the proper SEO.
Exactly, sir. And if these three techniques can be implemented on a website, then it will rank automatically, sir. No
Great.
worry about. You need not to think about the other backlinks and some other things. Your
Great.
keyword will.
Great, great,
And this was the some techniques that I use, and I think everyone should use it.
great.
I feel so.
Okay. So that's it for today's session, or anything left?
Yes, sir. That's it for today's session.
Okay. So, okay, guys, just apply these three techniques what Rubal has suggested, and if you have any questions or queries, you can write in the comment section, and Rubal will look into that, and he definitely going to reply into that. So that's it for today's sessions. Thank you very much, and thanks once again, Rubal, very much for your
Thanks to you
giving
also,
us some
sir.
time for such a valuable session. Okay. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.